In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Calendar widget for your website step by step. This is a quick and easy way to display your schedule, events, or availability right on your page, so visitors can see it without having to leave your site. Whether you're building a personal portfolio, a business website, or a booking page, embedding Google Calendar is a simple feature that can make your site look more professional and more useful. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. This is important because the calendar you choose is the one that will be embedded on your website. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look for the Settings icon, which is the gear symbol in the top right corner. Click it, and then click Settings from the menu. Now you'll be taken into the Settings area. On the left side, look for the section labeled Settings for My Calendars. This is where all of your individual calendars are listed. Click the calendar you want to display on your website. If you have multiple calendars, be sure to choose the one that contains the events you want your visitors to see. After selecting the calendar, scroll down until you find the section called Integrate Calendar. This is the area that gives you the embed options you need. Inside this section, you'll see an embed code option. Copy that code carefully, because this is the code that will create the widget on your website. Next, open your website's HTML editor. This could be WordPress, a custom HTML page, a site builder with code access, or any platform that lets you insert iframe code. Find the exact spot where you want the Google Calendar widget to appear. This could be on your homepage, contact page, events page, or a sidebar area depending on your website layout. Once you've found the right location, paste the iframe code you copied from Google Calendar into the HTML editor. Make sure you paste it in the correct section so it displays where you want it to appear on the page. If your platform uses a block editor, you may need to use a custom HTML block or code block before pasting the embed code. After that, save your changes or publish your web page. This is the final step that makes the widget live on your site. Once the page is refreshed, the Google Calendar should appear as an interactive calendar widget that your visitors can view directly on your website. And that's it. You've now made a Google Calendar widget by embedding your calendar into a web page. This is a great way to share events, manage public schedules, and keep your audience updated in real time. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software guide you want to see next.